Hello, welcome back guys to Amalia Projects here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to remove your LinkedIn profile from Google, Yahoo, Bing and etc. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support this channel. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, first thing first, I'm gonna open my LinkedIn applications, and after go ahead to the profile here at the top left in the corner and tap on the settings at the bottom. And now go ahead to the visibility, and in this visibility options you just have to turn off public profile visibility. I'm gonna tap on this edit your public profile. I'm gonna tap on it. Now I'm gonna scroll it down. We'll find here your profile's public visibility, and you just have to turn off the toggle beside it, yeah guys, like this until it's off, which makes your profile invisible to search engines and people not logged into LinkedIn. If you want to remove your profile completely, you will need to close your account through the LinkedIn's close account page, guys. After making either change, it may take time for search engines to update their results, and you can use the Google remove outdated content to speed up the process for specific change base. So yeah, I think it's enough from me, a tutorial how to remove your LinkedIn profile from Google and etc. And thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.